What is an adverb? An adverb gives more information about an action. For example, she runs tells us the action. But she runs fast tells us how she runs. The word fast gives extra information. A verb is an action. For example, speak, run, walk, listen. An adverb gives more information about that action. In the sentence, she speaks slowly, speaks is the verb, and slowly is the adverb. Many adverbs answer the question, how. They tell us how an action happens. She speaks slowly. He walks quickly. They listen carefully. The words slowly, quickly, and carefully are adverbs of manner. Many adverbs are made by adding "ly" to adjectives. Slow becomes slowly. Quick becomes quickly. Careful becomes carefully. But be careful. Not all adverbs end in "ly." For example, fast stays fast. Now, where do we put adverbs? For beginners, use this easy pattern. Subject, verb, adverb. She speaks slowly. He walks quickly. They listen carefully. Many adverbs of manner come after the verb. Adverbs can also answer the question, when. These are adverbs of time. I study today. I studied yesterday. We will study tomorrow. The words, today, yesterday, and tomorrow, tell us when the action happens. Some adverbs answer the question, how often? These are adverbs of frequency. They tell us how often something happens. I always study English. She sometimes watches videos. He never drinks coffee. Common examples are always, usually, sometimes, and never. Let's review. Adverbs give extra information about actions. They can answer how, when, and how often. Remember the easy pattern. Subject, verb, adverb. Mini test. In the sentence, she walks quickly, which word is the adverb? The answer is quickly. Now write one sentence with an adverb.